Hello students, today we will be doing NCERT book questions of exercise 8.2. So the first question is evaluate the following. The first part is sin 60 degree cos 30 degree plus sin 30 degree cos 60 degree. So sin 60 degree, from table you know sin 60 is your root 3 by 2, cos 30 is your root 3 by 2, plus sin 30 is your 1 by 2 and cos 60 is your 1 by 2. So root 3 multiplied by root 3 is 3, 2 multiplied by 2 is 4 plus 1 upon 4. So it is 4 upon 4, so it is 1. So the answer is 1. Second part is 2 tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree minus sin square 60 degree. So you know 2 multiplied by tan 45 is 1, so it will be 1 square plus cos 30 is root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2 whole square minus sin 60 is your root 3 by 2 whole square. So it will be 1 square is 1, 1 multiplied by 2 is 2 plus root 3 square is 3, 3 upon 4 minus 3 upon 4. You can cancel this, so the answer is 2. Now the third part is cos 45 degree upon sec 30 degree plus cosec 30 degree. Now as you know from the table, cos 45 is your 1 by root 2 divided by sec 30 is the opposite of, that is for cos 30. Cos 30 is your root 3 by 2, so it will be 2 by root 3 plus cosec 30 is reverse of sin 30, that is it will be 2. So it is 1 upon root 2 upon, take the LCM, it will be root 3, 2 plus 2 root 3. So you can write 1 upon root 2 multiply by root 3 upon 2, take 2 to be common, 1 plus root 3. Okay, so it will be root 3 upon 2, take this inside, root 2 plus root 6. Okay, now we will solve this. Now root 3 upon 2 root 2 plus root 6. So multiply by its conjugate. So it will be root 2 minus root 6 upon root 2 minus root 6. So take like this, root 3 root 2 minus root 6 upon 2 is over here. Now use the formula a plus b, a minus b, that is a square minus b square. So it will be 2 minus 6. So it will be root 6 minus 3 root 2 upon 2, that is minus 4. So it is root 6 minus 3 root 2 upon minus 8. Now take the minus sign upward. So it will be 3 root 2 minus root 6 upon 8. Now the fourth part is sin 30 degree plus tan 45 degree minus cosec 60 degree divided by sec 30 degree plus cos 60 degree plus cot 45 degree. Now you know from the table sin 30 is your 1 upon 2 plus tan 45 is 1 minus cosec 60 is your, that is reverse of sin 60, that is root 3 by 2. So it will be 2 by root 3. Sec 30, take the reverse of that is cos 30, that is root 3 by 2. So it will be 2 by root 3 plus cos 60 is your 1 upon 2 plus cot 45 is 1. Now solve it. 1 upon 2 plus 1, take the LCM, so it will be 2. 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 upon 2 minus 2 root 3. So it is 2 by root 3 plus 3 by 2. So it will be, take the LCM, 2 root 3. It will be 3 root 3 minus 4 divided by, take the LCM, 2 root 3, and here it will be, that is 4 plus 3 root 3. So here you can do like this, 3 root 3 minus 4 divided by 2 root 3. So multiply by 2 root 3 upon 4 plus 3 root 3. So cancel this term. It will be 3 root 3 minus 4 upon 4 plus 3 root 3. Now multiply by its conjugate. So it is 4 minus 3 root 3 upon 4 minus 3 root 3. So it will be 3 root 3, 4 minus 3 root 3 minus 4, 4 minus 3 root 3 divided by, now use the formula a plus b, a minus b is a square minus b square. So it will be 16 minus 9 3 is 27. Okay. So it is 12 root 3 minus, that is 27 minus 16, then plus 12 root 3 divided by, it will be minus sign, minus 11. So it is 24 root 3 minus 43 upon minus 11. Take the minus sign upwards. So it will be 43 minus 24 root 3 upon 11. So this will be your answer. Now after this, the fifth part is 5 cos square 60 degree plus 4 cos sec square 30 degree minus tan square 45 degree divided by sin square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree. So 5 multiplied by cos 60. Cos 60 is your 1 upon 2 whole square plus 4 multiplied by sec 30 degree, that is reverse of cos 30 degree, that is root 3 by 2. So it will be 2 by root 3 whole square minus tan 45 is 1 divided by sin 30 is 1 upon 2 whole square plus cos 30 is your root 3 by 2 whole square. Now solve it. That is 5 upon 4 plus 4 multiplied by 2 square is 4. 4 plus 4 upon 3 minus 1 divided by 1 upon 4 plus, it will be 3 by 4. So it is 5 upon 4 plus 16 upon 3 minus 1 upon, it will be 4 upon 4. So it will be 1. So you can write over here, that is, now take the LCM over here. So it will be 12, 15 plus 64 minus 12, and it is divided by 1, either you write or not. So it will be 979 minus 12 upon 12. So it will be 767 upon 12. So this is your answer. So now question number second is choose the correct option and justify your choice. Now what they are saying is 2 tan 30 degree upon 1 plus tan square 30 degree. Now you know 2 into tan 30 is your 1 by root 3. From the table 1 plus 1 by root 3 whole square. So it will be 2 by root 3 divided by 1 plus 1 upon 3. Or you can write 2 by root 3. It will be 3 plus 1, that is 4 upon 3. So it will be 2 by root 3, 2 3 by 4. So it will be, or you can write like this, that is 3 upon 2 root 3. Multiply by root 3. So it will be 3 root 3 upon 6, or it will be root 3 by 2. Now you have to see for which angle it will be root 3 by 2. Now see, sine 60. What is the value of sine 60? First of all, you should know. That is sine 60 is your root 3 by 2. Okay. So that means this is your answer. Now see, check for others also. Cos 60. Cos 60 is your 1 upon 2. So this is not possible. Tan 60. Tan 60 is your, that is your root 3. This is also not possible. Sin 30 is your 1 upon 2. This is also not possible. So your answer is A, sin 60. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Enjoy learning with Bhavna, and don't forget to press the bell icon for the new update.